Dogs can smell your emotions. Imagine your furry friend detecting your mood just by sniffing your breath. Research shows that dogs can identify changes in human emotions through chemical signals released in sweat and breath. These incredible animals have a sense of smell up to 100,000 times more sensitive than humans, allowing them to pick up on feelings like fear, happiness, and even stress. When you're anxious, your body releases specific chemicals that your dog can detect, often prompting them to offer comfort or act protectively. This ability isn't just limited to familiar people. Dogs can also sense the emotions of strangers, making them exceptional companions in therapeutic settings. Their noses are so finely tuned that they can distinguish between identical twins based solely on scent markers influenced by emotions. So next time your dog cuddles up to you when you're upset, remember, they might just be responding to the invisible scent of your emotions.